Hi, my name is Jane, and today I am going to walk you through the left versus left clinical trial. You are seeing this video because you might qualify for a research study on two treatments for heart failure. In the next few minutes, I will describe heart failure, discuss available treatment options, and explain how this study works, so you can decide if joining the study is right for you. Heart failure is a condition where the heart cannot pump blood well. To understand why this happens, it helps to first know how the heart works. The heart has four parts called chambers. The chambers pump at different times and they work together to move blood through the heart. Think of the heart like an orchestra. Each chamber is like a musician with its own instrument. For the music to sound good, every player must play at the right time. In the same way, the heart needs all four chambers to pump at the right time to move blood through your heart effectively. Your heart has an electrical system that tells the different chambers when to pump, much like a conductor directs musicians when to play. If the conductor gives the wrong signals, the music sounds bad. Similarly, if your heart's electrical system gives the wrong signals, the chambers do not pump at the right time. This can cause health problems such as swelling in the legs or abdomen, chest pain, difficulty breathing, and extreme fatigue. Your medical team can usually slow down heart failure with the correct combination of medications and, in many cases, with pacemaker device therapy. Pacemakers are small electronic devices that help regulate your heart by sending signals to help the chambers of the heart pump at the right time. Pacemakers have been used for decades to treat heart failure. The pacemaker device is usually inserted under the skin on the left chest. Very thin wires called leads are attached to the device and then inserted into a large vein nearby. The wires run inside the vein toward the heart and end up being implanted into the heart muscle. There are two standard treatments for heart failure that utilize pacemakers: biventricular pacing and His left bundle branch pacing. Both are FDA approved, meaning that they have been approved by the Food and Drug Administration for use, but they work in different ways. The primary difference lies in the placement of the leads. Biventricular pacing places the leads in the left and right ventricles, which are the two lower chambers of the heart. The device sends signals to those two chambers of the heart, allowing them to pump at the right time again. His left bundle branch pacing is another treatment that places the leads in the left bundle of the heart, which establishes the heart's electrical system. It sends signals to the heart's electrical system rather than the chambers of the heart. This helps the electrical system tell the chambers to pump at the right time again. To summarize, biventricular pacing sends signals to different parts of the heart, and His left bundle branch pacing sends signals to the heart's electrical system. Both of these treatments are standard of care. This means that you would ordinarily receive one of these treatments for heart failure. Now that we described heart failure and discussed two treatment options, I will finally explain the left versus left clinical trial. A team at Baylor College of Medicine in Houston, Texas, has obtained funding to investigate whether patients who receive His left bundle branch pacing do better than patients who receive biventricular pacing. 60 medical centers across the United States and Canada, including yours, are helping to recruit over 2,000 patients with heart failure for this study. The goal of this study is to determine whether one treatment is more effective than the other. To find out, doctors will track your symptoms, health condition, hospital visits, and quality of life for the next 5 years. If you join the study, a computer will randomly assign you to one of the two device treatment groups. like picking a name out of a hat. Remember that both of these device treatments are already used to treat heart failure by your doctors. If you choose not to join the study, your doctor would simply be the one to choose instead of the computer. If you and your doctor determine that your device does not work well for you, you will get the procedure for the other treatment after. Let's summarize what we reviewed today. First, I described that heart failure is a condition where the heart does not pump blood well. Next, I discussed that there are two standard treatments for heart failure that use a pacemaker device. Then, I explained that the left versus left clinical trial aims to compare whether patients who receive one treatment do better than patients who receive the other. Lastly, I explained that if you join the study, a computer will randomly choose the treatment you receive instead of your doctor. If you would like to learn more, a member of the research team will review all the details with you. I appreciate your interest and hope that this video has helped you to better understand heart failure, your treatment options, and this clinical trial. Thank you.